Hi everyone. Let's say, for example, you would like to delete some files from your FTP or SFTP folder. This is rather very easy operation using advanced ETL processor FTP delete files action. All we need to do just to add the action and omit its properties. So we need to select connection. I have already created connection for that, and we need to select remote folder. So the folder is going to be used is called home. Just click OK. And all done. All we need to do is to run it now. Let's run it. And let's check that everything is actually deleted. We connect again. See, it is empty. And we still have files in the subfolder, which is how it should be. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please go to our support forum and we will do our best to help you. Thank you. Bye.